In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Temu invoice. Whether you need a copy for your records, a refund, or to simply keep track of your purchases, understanding how to navigate this process with ease can be incredibly useful. Let's dive deep into the steps to help you get that receipt you're looking for. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Temu website. If you're using a computer, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Temu. On a smartphone or tablet, just click on your browser app icon and follow the same steps. Now, once you're on the Temu homepage, take a moment to locate the Sign In Register option, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click it. For those of you who already have an account, this next step is going to be a breeze. You'll need to log into your Temu account, enter your login details, your email and password typically, and hit that login button. If you haven't yet set up an account, you'll want to do that first since accessing your orders directly requires you to be logged in. Post-login, you'll notice an account profile icon hanging out on the upper right-hand corner. Click on that icon to get into your account details. It's like stepping into the control center of your Temu profile. Here you'll see a range of options, but what we're interested in today is finding your orders. Within your account, look for the Your Orders section. This is typically marked quite clearly, so it's easy to spot. Inside this section, you'll find a list of your recent purchases. Scroll through your orders and select the specific one for which you need a receipt. Simply click on that order to view more details. When you're on the order details page, you should see an option labeled View Receipt. This is the button that will take you directly to the document you've been searching for. Give it a click and your receipt will appear on the screen. At this point, Temu offers you a couple of options. You can print the receipt if you need a physical copy, or you can download it directly to your device for digital storage. Just be aware, and here's an important note, Temu doesn't provide an official invoice per se, but the receipt you get serves as the closest available document you can use for your records or if you ever need to request a refund. And there you have it. Finding your Temu invoice is as simple as that. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, making the process smoother and less daunting. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to check out some of our other helpful guides. Until next time, happy shopping, and remember to always keep track of your purchases.